This is really exciting. I had an opportunity to get inside this property. It's a listing that we have, and had an opportunity to walk through entirely, and my mind is going crazy. This is where the creativity and the fun comes into play. So first off, I see that there might be some areas of concern that I'm seeing would be great to have a general inspector come in here and give me his evaluation of anything that he sees that might be wrong with the property. Because if we get that fixed right up front, that's something the buyer will likely not discover. They won't try to renegotiate. So it's going to be great to stage this property. It's so dynamic inside. I see some really great ideas. So we'll get 3 staging companies out here to get us a quote. As far as its marketability, my God, we're in a seller's market right now. It's got like breathtaking views. Can you imagine this at night? And being in a seller's market, the seller's going to get a real good price for this. So it's a matter of a strategy that I'm going to look over a little bit more in detail, because do I price it just under market to get a bit of a feeding frenzy or multiple offers? That helps drive the price up. The other thing I'm looking to do is keep the days on market as minimal as possible, because that's going to reassure the seller that he's going to get the highest price. I'm also seeing that would be a really great idea to bring the gardener out here or an arborist to cut back these trees. I see some areas over here that I'd like to open up and increase the view, or I'd like to plant some plants and roses around the area that the pool supplies are at, so that visually when you come out, it's like, wow, clean, sharp, you're enhancing the property, you're taking advantage of all its assets. So this is what I love. Listings are great, and especially on a property like this, I think my sellers are going to be quite happy.